Hi guys, I'm CA Ankita Jain, and in this video I'm going to talk about the exam weightage for CA Foundation paper 2, that is business laws and BCR, business correspondence and reporting. Now I'm sure you're aware that your paper law is for 60 marks and BCR is for 40 marks. In the examination, you will be provided with separate answer sheets to write part A of, that is of law, and part B of BCR, okay? So it is not that in a single question you're going to get part of law questions and part of BCR questions. They are going to be all together separate parts in your question paper. Now talking about part A, that is business law, there are a total of 6 questions, out of which you have to attempt 5 questions. Question 1 being the compulsory question, and then you have a choice of attempting any 4 out of the remaining 5 questions. Each question carries 12 marks, and hence your paper, or you will end up attempting the business law paper for 60 marks. Talking about part B, BCR, again, the question 1 is a compulsory question, and then you have a choice of attempting any 3 out of the remaining 4 questions, each question carrying 10 marks. Hence, your paper BCR for a total of 40 marks. Now, talking about the chapter-wise weightage for this paper, ICAI gives categories wherein it specifies the minimum and maximum weightage for that particular category. In law, since you have just 5 acts, every act in itself is a separate category. You can see the minimum and maximum weightage I have specified in this paper, and this is available for download, the link of which has been provided in the description. Now, till now you have had 4 foundation attempts, and in every attempt the weightage has been constant. So you can be rest assured, even in the further attempts, in the future attempts, the weightage is going to be more or less this itself. Contract Act has been coming for 22 marks. Sale of goods and partnership is for 16 marks each. LLP is for 5 marks and Companies Act is for 13 marks. The total of this comes to 72. Now this weightage is for all the questions. I have not decided or removed any particular question. Talking about BCR, the first category is the first chapter itself, communication, which has been coming in the exam for 8 marks. Chapter 2 and chapter 3 is category 2, which has been coming for 13 marks. Chapter 4 and 5, that is comprehension and note making, is category 3, which has been coming for 10 marks. And chapter 6 to 13, that is all the remaining chapters, is category 4. In the examination, this has been coming for 19 marks. Again, even here, this totals to 50 marks. That is entirely your BCR paper without a choice. Till now, for all the attempts, every question has got either 2 or 3 bits, and these questions also are from these acts that have been specified. You can see the compulsory question is from Contract Act, Companies Act and Sale of Goods Act, each question carrying 4 marks. Of course, the weightage that ICAI gives is chapter wise. It is not giving your exam question wise, so definitely there is a possibility that this can change any time. Now, talking about BCR, the first question, the compulsory question, is coming from comprehension and note making, and the remaining 4 questions are all from category 1, category 2 and category 4. Now, since in writing skills, you know, there are different types of articles. You have pressy writing, you have report writing, resume writing, letter writing, etc. In the 4 questions that have been asked, all of these 4 questions are definitely different questions. Okay. Now, there is again a small internal choice as well in law. Question number 3, the partnership first question. You have a choice over there. They are asking 2 questions, out of which you have to attempt any 1, and a similar choice you have in question number 9 of BCR as well. You can see in law paper, mostly the questions are ranging, or they are between either 4, 5 or 6 marks, 1 or 2 questions of 2 and 3 marks, right? Now, this question that you can see, Contract Act, question number 2, sometimes it is either a single question of 7 marks or it is divided into 5 marker or 2 marker. Okay, so this is it about your question paper. If you have any questions, you can comment on this video or you can DM us on our Instagram channel, the link of which has been provided again in the description. All the best, guys. Prepare well.